Hello beauty, so I'm so excited today. I'm doing a one brand tutorial and it's gonna be all e.l.f. makeup. You guys requested this and it's actually my first time filming a one brand tutorial. We decided to go with e.l.f. because it's what I had the most products and I just had to order a few. Yes, I got all the goodies here. Some are like my all-time favorites, like some are brand new products. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz Beauty Style. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to use is a product that I really enjoy and it's fairly new. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This, a lot of people say, is a dupe for the Tatcha. I have reviewed both if you want to see that on my channel. This is a nice balm. I'm just gonna take some here and we're gonna put it all over. Just gonna give a nice space for the foundation. It'll last you like forever. I'm gonna go ahead and move to concealer, and this is another very loved product of mine, and it's the new e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I also have reviewed this, and I used this in the color medium sand. If you're a similar skin tone to me, if you want something brighter, I would definitely go down like shades, maybe 2 shades. I'm just gonna be using this sponge that I got from Marshall's. And I'm just gonna blend that out to conceal these bags here. This is full coverage, such a beautiful formula. You can see that looks very, very pretty. Moving on to foundation, and I'm glad some days have passed because I had actually self-tanned and this was not gonna match at all, but I'm hoping it matches today. I just picked this up online, so I don't really know. I haven't tried this. So this is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and it's oil-free. It has a satin finish. Layer as needed for more coverage. Got this in the color Pearl, which is described as a fair with neutral undertones. Okay, so it looks very nice. This is a glass bottle. I mean, love that. Very nice. Luxurious, actually. Pump this out here and let's just see what this color looks like. I am going to use my same sponge. I use another pump because who are we kidding? Here, let me see. Ooh, that looks pretty light. It's scented. It smells like powdery, so definitely too light. Switch sponges really quickly. I just work with this one better and it's so much softer. I'm gonna try to build it up. It said apply more as needed. The way I love that it's oil free. I have so many reviews of like oil free foundations, drugstore and high-end, so I can leave that at the end of this video. Really concealed the redness that I had on my nose. So me being an oily girl, I love that it's not giving me dewy finish or anything. Going to set the face. Going to be using this e.l.f. matte blotting powder. I love it. I reviewed it. This stuff is good. It's gonna take this flat top kabuki, and it's so cute, the packaging. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna put this all over. For the brows, we're trying out a new product. For me, I've never tried this, and this is the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brown Cream, and I got it in Taupe Blonde. I'm a pomade girl, that's why I picked this. Hopefully the color is good. Okay, pretty simple. That was really easy to use. Formula is just really good. Need some color in the face, and for that I'm using this palette here. This is what it looks like. It's a face palette. I have some beautiful blushes, a highlight. We also have another highlight here, so, and we have a bronzer. Use this shade here. I'm gonna use the blush in the palette. We do have two, so I'm just gonna combine both. I'm just putting more than usual just so it shows up on camera because these colors can be really, really light. For highlighter, this is a new one here. I've never tried this, and this is in White Pearl, and I'll just swatch that really quick here. So it looks promising, right? Ooh, what? Oh my god, you know highlight makes me so happy. Before we start with the eyeshadow, I am going to prime the lids, of course, and for that I'm going to use this primer in sheer. I've had this for a while, but I've just never used it. Okay, it has a nice wand. So it gives some kind of coverage as well. I have some like redness, maybe veins showing up. This could conceal that. Got a brand new palette. I got the one here called the New Classics. They have some that are more like adventurous, more colorful, some shimmers and some mattes. I'm gonna go with this color here to put all over the lid. Let's put this color here, Truffle, just for a transition shade. And I just say it's blending really nice. I'm gonna put this color Earth here just to darken the outer corner a little bit. I don't have a lot of fallout. Wow. Color here, Muse. Like if there's a mirror. Really want to use this color here called Rose Gold. Just put it here. I do want to add another color here called Cosmo. I use my ring finger for this one. Have to work a little with the blending. Plunk. Eyeliner now, and watch me, you know this is one of my favorite eyeliners ever. e.l.f. liquid liner. Just be very careful because it does take a little while to dry. Ordered this e.l.f. Length and Volume Black Waterproof Mascara. Her formula helps prevent clumps drying. Let's see. First I have to curl my lashes. Oh, it's pretty small and very interesting shape. Coat, definitely not clumpy at all. Like you could tell the formula is gonna be really hard for it to get clumpy. Don't see much of like a volume. It's like lengthening. Just no, I need more from a mascara, so pass. And also put some falsies. We're gonna use this e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in Red Vixen. This is the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Winged and Bold multi-dimensional lashes for full volume and length. Comes with a little cute applicator. You're gonna get that winged out effect. Oh, they feel very lightweight. Wow. Not even gonna feel them on. Take my dual lash glue, put them on, and show you what it looks like. Wow, that actually looks very pretty. You know what? These things suck, my opinion. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I just messed up the lashes. Look. Trying to take them out and this happened, and I just raved about them so much. This has never happened to me. Use them. We're gonna have to improvise. Oh my god, look at that. So I'm just gonna stick this on like that and then like stick this piece. We're just gonna work with it. Love the style. It's so pretty. Red Vixen liquid matte lipstick. Do you see how pigmented this lipstick is? And so many different shades. I just can't wait for that to dry down because I really love a matte look. Oh look, I got some on my chin. Try to buff it out. I'm gonna tell you the things that I would definitely purchase again and the things that I would pass on. Not necessarily because they sucked, work for me or for my taste. So starting with this foundation, I think it's really nice, but I prefer something more full coverage, and definitely this was not my color, but that has nothing to do with how the foundation performs. It's buildable, but not as full coverage as what I enjoy. If you're oily, I think you're really going to enjoy this. So I want to mention the e.l.f. the eyeshadow primer. I think it was really good. The eyeshadows perform really well. I'm not sure if they would have performed the same like if I didn't use this, but I think it definitely helped. The e.l.f. pomade, I mean, it's good. It's amazing. I think the color suited me very well. Again, taupe blonde. It was so easy to use. It wasn't really drying. It wasn't really like runny. I just think the formula is really, really like perfection. I also want to talk about the highlight. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna put some in my Cupid's bow. There's no glitter, so if that's important for you, like I know the Wet n Wild is amazing, but it does have like some glitter. Sorry that I'm not doing like down my nose and stuff, but I'm oily. I don't like the shine there. Palette is very nice if you don't want like anything too intense. As you see, it did add some color back to my face. If you're like really fair, you won't like that because it's light. But you could intensify it. As you see, we got some good color payoff. e.l.f. Putty Primer, you know that I like it. Pores do look nicer. Foundation's just gonna glide on. You get a lot of product for your money. The mascara, I think it's a good mascara, but just for my preference, again, I would prefer something like that gave me more volume, more length, and would like it to like hold my curl. This definitely did not hold the curl. It's a really good mascara. It worked really easy and no clumping, and I was doing more than one coat. No, this is my baby here for all my oily girls. You're gonna love this powder. This is good like to set the face, even though it's called blotting. Like you can use it towards the day like to blot your face. Amazing. After you put on your foundation, set it with this and you're going to love it. It's really gonna help you stay matte. With lipsticks, they have so many colors. I want to try so many others, and I mean the color payoff is just insane. They do feel a little drying on the lips. I wouldn't say it's like the most comfortable thing ever. It's not sticky. Look at that. No transfer whatsoever. And of course we need to talk about the star. This beautiful palette, I'm telling you, I would get all three. They have more colorful ones. Did have to work a little in the blending, but it was good. I mean, and you get nice color payoff. Need to like do more looks with this. If you're interested, let me know. The new classics. Only thing is these lashes are not the best quality, as you saw, like the thing just ripped off. And this, not a fan. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Today counting days until the second call. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around.